any person say something wrong about other religion. आता आपल्या धर्माचे कितें बरें आहा तितलेंय तुमी उलयात, बट गोंय म्हणटा तें आमचें एक स्टेट वे वी ऑल लिव युनायटेडली. हिंदू धर्माचे जेन्ना परबी कसली फेस्तां आसता आमी वयतात, क्रिस्तांव वयतात, हिंदू लोक आमगेर येता क्रिसमसाक. दीस इज हाव वी लीव. तेक आमी गोंयकारपण म्हणटा तें हें, आनी हें कितें जालें स्टेटीचेर, इट्स रियली रॉंग. एंड इन फ्युचर anybody whoever wants to say something about their religion, they are free to say something, anything good about their religion, but don't say anything bad about other religion. This is completely wrong.
Do you think he has to be arrested?
Whatever is there as per law has to take place.